Hi everyone, it's AC Coder. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out one of the new BBC Microbit projects. There are 3 projects, and today's video I'm going to be trying out the energy light meter. In these projects, I will be finding out about all the energy that I use. I will be able to measure how light levels change. In this project, I will learn 2 new things. The first thing that I will learn is how to take readings from the BBC Microbit sensors and store them in variables. The second thing I will learn is how to find locations for recording reliable environmental data. I will be following this project from the BBC Microbit website. The code is provided for me in the BBC Microbit MakeCode blocks and also in the Python version. For this project, I will need my BBC version 2 Microbit, cable to connect my Microbit to my laptop so I can download the code, 2 batteries, and a battery pack. Now I'm going to download the code onto my BBC version 2 Microbit. When I had finished downloading my code and connecting my BBC Microbit to my battery pack, I moved around the house to see the light level in different rooms. How the code works. The program uses a variable called reading to store the light level. It sets this at the start and whenever you press button A. This stores the light sensor reading in a variable instead of showing it on the Microbit display straight away. When button B is pressed, the light sensor reading that was stored in a variable is shown on the BBC Microbit display. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!